There's something magnetic about silky, shiny hair. It sways when you move, catches the light effortlessly, and makes you feel like the main character without even trying. But here's the truth no one really tells you. Silky hair isn't just about the products you buy. It's about how you treat your hair, the rituals you follow, and the energy you carry while doing it. And once you get it right, the glow up is insane, because your hair becomes part of your aura. Let's start from the root literally. The scalp is where it all begins. Think of your scalp as an extension of your skin. If it's dry, irritated, or clogged, your hair will grow out dull and brittle. That's why regular scalp massages with nourishing oils like cold-pressed coconut, almond, or rosemary can be a total game changer. The motion boosts blood circulation, delivering more nutrients to the follicles. It's not just a hair tip, it's science. Now, let's talk about washing, because this is where most people mess up. Hot water might feel amazing, but it strips your hair of its natural oils. Always rinse with lukewarm water and finish with a cold blast if you can. That final cold rinse helps close the hair cuticle, making it lie flat, which reflects more light, and boom, that's your shine. Post-shower care is where the transformation really begins. First, ditch the rough towel. Pat your hair gently with a microfiber towel or even a cotton t-shirt. That soft handling reduces frizz and breakage, especially when your hair is most vulnerable, wet. Never brush dripping wet hair unless you're using a wide-tooth comb or a dead angler. Styling, though, this is where you have to protect your progress. Heat styling tools can destroy the silky vibe if you're careless. So, if you're using straighteners or blow dryers, always use a heat protectant. It's not optional,